Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We are given f of x plus 1 equals 1 plus f of x divided by 1 minus f of x. At which point will f be periodic? That is the given questions. But before I solve this, we can give it a try and drop the answer in the comment box. So here is the first thing we are going to do. Let's say we consider the solution. Suppose I let f of x equals t. This is the first thing we are going to do. From here we are given f of x plus 1. If I replace f of x here with t, what we have is f of x plus 1 equals 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t. And at what point is f a periodic? From the first one here, f of x plus 1 equals 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t. If you can consider this output, we know that this thing does not equal to t. And if you want to know that our f here is periodic, if we change this one to f of x plus 2, we get a certain output here. If the output is not equal to t, it's not yet a periodic. If we change it to f of x plus 3, we get a certain output here. And if it is not equal to t, it's not yet a periodic. That's how we keep repeating this until we have a value that converges to t, that is equivalent to t. Alright? So let's try and look for when we have f of x plus 2. So we have f of x plus 2. If we take it back to 1 plus f of x, we are going to have 1 plus f of x plus 1 divided by 1 minus fx plus 1. This is just by changing x to x plus 1 by increasing it by 1. So we have this as f of x plus 2 equals 1 plus, here we have f of x plus 1. But f of x plus 1 is given as 1 plus t over 1 minus t. We have to replace it. So by replacing it, we are going to have 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t, this in bracket, then divided by 1 minus open bracket 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t. And if I try to expand this out, we find the LCM at the numerator and we multiply 1 minus t with 1. So we have 1 minus t, then added with 1 plus t. We are going to divide it by 1 minus t. But we have 1 minus t here, 1 minus t here. Both of them will later cancelled. And when they cancelled, we only have all over. Finding the LCM of this, we have 1 minus t, then minus open bracket 1 plus t. So this is what we are going to have. Then, so let's open this. We have 1 minus t plus 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t minus 1 minus t. So if I cancel this and this, so the resulting value of this gives us 1 plus 1, that is 2, divided by, here we have 1 cancelled 1, then minus t, it gives us minus 2t. So therefore, f of x plus 2 is given as minus 2 divided by 2t. And when this cancels this, we have minus 1 over t. This is for f of x plus 2. It does not converge to t. We have to continue. So moving on to f of x plus 3. That is, we are going to have 1 plus f of x plus 2 divided by 1 minus f of x plus 2. And if you try to solve for 1 plus f of x plus 2, we see we are going to have 1 plus f of x plus 2 equals 1 minus 1 over t. and this one gives us t minus 1 divided by t, and also 1 minus f of x plus 2 equals 1 plus 1 divided by t equals t plus 1 divided by t. So if I combine these together, we are going to have f of x plus 3. This equals t minus 1 over t, then multiply by t divided by t minus 1. So that is after finding the reciprocal. This cancel this, and we are going to have, here is t plus 1. So we are going to have t minus 1 over t plus 1. But from here, if I take out negative, we are going to have 1 minus t. Then also here we have 1 plus t. For f of x plus 3, it does not equals t. We have to proceed as well. And again, if you have f of x plus 4, this equals 1 plus f of x plus 3 divided by 1 minus f of x plus 3. Again, if I find 1 plus f of f plus 3, we have 1 plus f of x plus 3 equals 1, then plus, that will give us minus, open bracket, 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t. And also, considering 1 minus f of x plus 3, so we have this as 1 plus, open bracket, 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t. So by bringing this together, we are going to have 1 minus, open bracket, 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t divided by 1 plus, open bracket, 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t. So we know this cancel this after we multiply it with this. So we have this equals 1 plus t minus 1 plus t divided by 1 plus t plus 1 minus t. Okay, so with this we have 1 cancel this, and also t cancel 2. So here we have t plus t, that is 2t divided by 1 plus 1, that is 2. And if 2 cancel 2, so we are going to see that f of x plus 4 here is equals t, and which everything here equals f of x. So therefore, this is the point at which we have a periodic. That is, f of x plus 4 equals f of x, and this is for all x. So f is periodic with a period of 4. This is how to solve this. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.